Hello again everyone. In this video we're going to be taking a look at one of these Chinese diesel heaters for vans. I'm not sure what brand this particular one is because I can't read Chinese, but I think they're all roughly the same. So let's open it up and have a look. Okay, I've been waiting to open this, but I thought I'd save it so we can all see it together. Oh, these are sharp. These are a bit tough. Get rid of them. Right, we'll get everything out and then have a look through it, see what we've got. Okay. Oh, that's the tank, obviously. Stuff inside. Great. Set that over there. What's that? It must be the mounting bracket. Instructions. How good are these then? Actually not too bad. I was expecting them to be gibberish, but oh, that's alright. Positive. I'm guessing this one is the heater itself. Set that aside for a minute. Oh no, maybe not. This is all the bits. What we got then? That must be that's like the outlet tube, obviously. I think. God knows. And that's the duct. Does that go together with that maybe? There's the fuel line. Whoa. Okay, there's plenty of cables then. Wow. Got the air intake, I believe. Oh, this one must be the exhaust. Whoa, that's a bit springy. Yeah, so it has its own exhaust. Another bit of ducting. Don't know what that is. That's some kind of. Oh, is that an air filter? That's pretty cool. Yeah, that must be the air filter for the intake. That's sweet. And then a bag of gubbins. And this one is obviously the heater itself. Okay, let's have a look. Smaller than I was expecting, actually. That must be the fuel pump. And then the. Oh, look at that. So I chose the one that has this the screen. You can get one. Comes with a little dial, but I thought this might be cooler. And it's got a a car remote by the looks of it. Lock and unlock. What the hell? God knows. Heater itself. Oh, it's quite heavy. That's it. That's everything you get. There's your intake and exhaust for the combustion side of it. That must be the intake for the fan, and obviously the blower side there. And it is branded, no idea. Does have a little, what's that, 18.4. Cool. So we got in here. Cable ties. Jubilee clips. Is that a fuel filter? I believe it is. Nice. It's actually quite a decent little kit, this is, to be honest. Some sort of clip. Obviously for one of the pipes. Oh yeah, that's another one. More Jubilees. Clip. One thing I have noticed is there isn't any assembly instructions, so this could be fun. All these little pieces of tubing and stuff. More. And this just looks like a bag of little clips for those tubes and things. Mounting bolts. Not really sure why there was a bag of bolts inside the fuel tank, but whatever. Okay, there it all is. So what we need to do now is figure out how all this goes together, set it up in here before I put it in the van, bench test it, and see where we're at. Let's do it, let's get it set up.
Oh God damn, you made me feel sweet. And if I'm losing my mind, would you lose yours with me? You make me wanna melt like butter in the dirt. It's hard to keep my cool knowing I'm your man, so let's spend some time wasting it away. Your love is like music, you went and changed the game. We're breaking all the rules, our side signs don't match. Trying to prove I'm with you. I'm gonna miss you. Would hate to see you go. Wish time could just go slow. Would truly dim my heart, but it's only time apart. And in no time we gon' be right back. Right by my side like a monkey on my back. It's been a ride, we know we're near done. I guess you need the lows to know when you're up. of my deepest needs. You were there, I knew, now you know me. But when we met, I swear I came alive. My heart turned to jelly and I'm googly-eyed. Same old story with a zesty twist. I'm ready to relax in this magical bliss that is you and is I. So let's spend our time, baby. If I love you and you love me, let's plant a seed, watch it grow into a tree, baby. Why don't we grow some nectarines, baby? Why don't we grow a little, baby? We're in a world of our own, dancing to our own drum. And if there really is a soul, maybe now we found our own one. The same old song with a zesty look. I'm ready to explore in this magical bliss that is you and is I. So let's not waste our time, baby. If I love you and you love me, let's plant a seed, watch it grow into a tree, baby. Why don't we grow some nectarines, baby? Why don't we grow a little, baby? If I love you and you love me, let's plant a seed, watch it grow into a tree, baby. Why don't we grow some nectarines, baby? Why don't we grow a little? I'm finally floating, it's like Sunday morning. I'm finally cruising, it's like a cushion.